We were trying to figure out the value of x. All right, now it's important to know x and y are integers. That means no fractions, no decimals. They're positive and negative numbers, okay, integers. Now, in clue 1, the only way that could happen is x is 1 and y is 1, or x is -1 and y is -1. That gives you +1. But clue 1 doesn't work because x might be a 1 or x might be a -1, so that doesn't work by itself. Now look at clue 2. X is not equal to -1. Well, it could be equal to 2 or 3 or 5 or -7. Who knows what x could be? That doesn't help. Now what you do is you put both of them together. Let me emphasize before I go on. After you did clue 1, you forgot about it and you looked at just clue 2. Since neither one of them work independently, I'm going to put them together. I'm going to consider both of them. And case 2, it says x is not equal to -1. That means it can't be this case. It has to be this one. X would be 1. So your answer is C. Both together work.